So once again we are here and we all know that Valentine's weeks is coming and 1 Feb is day after tomorrow and तुम लोगों पे girlfriend तो है नहीं तो AI girlfriend ही सही. Let me tell you how you can create your own AI girlfriend for Valentine Day because तुम पे तो है नहीं है ना. And I will tell you in a very simple idea, not go into machine learning stuff because that's more complicated. So yeah, let me tell you how. So suppose this one is you. Let name it Rohan. Okay. We use speech recognition. You all know what speech recognition is. Via speech recognition, we detects the audio. So we detect Rohan audio by speech recognition, and we use a web speech API. We use web speech API, or you can use an STT model, speech to text model. So you will send the audio to the web speech API, and web speech API will generate a transcript, and you send this transcript to Gemini LLM model or any other NLM model. Okay. सो अब क्या हम जेमिनाई मॉडल के साथ इस ट्रांसक्रिप्ट के साथ कुछ कॉन्टेक्स्ट ऐड कर देंगे कि हु इज रोहन एंड यू आर रोहन्स गर्लफ्रेंड, रोहन इज दिस, रोहन इज व्हाट. हम दे देंगे कुछ इसको कॉन्टेक्स्ट एंड सेंड कर देंगे ट्रांसक्रिप्ट. नाउ ट्रांस जेमिनाई विल आंसर this question that is inside the transcript and return some text or embedding. It returns some text and embedding. And what we will do with this text and embedding, we take a TTS model, that is text to speech model. You can use OpenAI Whisper, you can use Hugging Face, you can use Whisper Flow. Don't use OpenAI Whisper because it has some expensive credit. So yeah, so via TTS model we will generate an audio and set back to the Rohan with a parameter. It should be autoplayed, okay, such that Rohan won't feel any delay while talking to his girlfriend. Okay. So this one was a very basic thing, like how you can uh, create your AI girlfriend via API endpoint, hitting API endpoints. But if you want to create via machine learning model that can actually talk to you in real time, so you can create it by training model based on your data sets. Okay, that will be more complicated. So I will I will tell you in that in different videos. So see ya.